What would you do with more time? All that time spent dealing with requests over the phone? Chasing contractors for an update? Or simply searching for the right document? Wishing that everything could just be in one place? Fixflo not only gives you time back, but the time to do so much more. We make managing repairs and maintenance simple. And we connect with agentOS, putting you back in control of your maintenance. Whenever your tenants spot an issue, our reporting portal is there to help them quickly and accurately report the repair. With helpful advice pop-ups that, in many cases, enable them to resolve the issues themselves. Your tenants can share photos and videos. Plus, their contact and address details can be pre-filled, allowing for an even faster maintenance request and one less call for you. All repair requests will automatically be logged directly in your agentOS system against the correct property file, along with the job details and photos. With Fixflo, property managers can instruct contractors, manage works orders, schedule planned maintenance, and request landlord approvals from one central hub with just a few clicks. The platform is designed to help people work together to resolve any issue and allow property managers to easily prioritise urgent tasks and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. Connecting agentOS and Fixflo is easy. With both platforms integrated, you will never have to deal with conflicting data again. All property, occupier, landlord, and contractor information will automatically push from agentOS to Fixflo, meaning you'll always have all of the information you need to resolve issues faster than ever. And once an issue is closed on Fixflo, this is reflected on agentOS, with all of the invoices and completion documents synced, cutting out repetitive admin and letting you manage payments straight away. So what are you waiting for? Book a demo today.